Make a delicious kidney beans recipe. First, boil the kidney beans with onion and rose chili. Here, putting oil. Actually, add a small teaspoon butter. Adding here chopped onion, not onion, garlic 1 teaspoon. Saute. Red chili. Keep saute. Few chopped ginger. Now adding here some tomatoes. Mixing it. Little bit salt. Because I have already added salt in the boil kidney beans. Turmeric powder. And you cook for 1 minute. Now adding here 1 teaspoon mixed spice. Mix it. Now adding here boiled kidney beans and mixing it properly. Add the spice you add as you like. Sugar 1/2 teaspoon. Mixing it nicely. Little bit sharp spice. Red chili. Again mixing it. Now adding the bean boiled water. Nicely cooking. Lastly add here hot spice little bit. I keep it like this. Little bit light. You can make it thick. So is the time for serving. Please to try at your home. It's a very delicious and healthy recipe. I have not used here more spices.